So here we're given this integration question and we're given this integral from 0 to 1 f of x dx, and we're told in this case it's equal to 5. Now we're told to find out what this integral is going to be. The integral of 5 f of x to the x take away 1 divided by 5 dx bounded between 1 and 6. So let's try and visualize this using our understanding of integrals. So this is what this area will look like. It's going to be equal to 5. Remember, an integral refers to area. So let's think about it. What happens to this when we transform this area? Let's think about it. What happens to this when we transform this area? When we apply these transformations onto our area? Let's have a look at it. Here we've done a dilation by a factor of 5 from the horizontal axis, right? It transforms it, it makes it taller because it pushes it away, right? Now that this is taller, it's taller by a factor of 5, which means now this area has increased to 25. The integral for this one would be this. It's going to be the integral of 5 f of x dx bounded between 0 and 1. Now then, let's try and do the next transformation that's been applied to this function.
Huh? Far off to the west.
Psych!
So now when we apply this next transformation, a dilation by a factor of 5 from the vertical axis, it turns into this. It becomes a lot wider because it pushes it away from the x-axis, right? The boundaries of this now change from 0 to 5, and the integral expression of this would look like this. This integral here, we can see because it's 5 times bigger, it's going to be equal to 125. Now, let's apply the next transformation that they've applied to this function. So we've applied this transformation. This is 1 unit in the positive direction of the x-axis, or of the horizontal axis, right? This doesn't actually change the size of the area. It just shifts it over to the right. So this area is still 125, right? Which means this integral here must also be equal to 125. Basically, what I'm trying to get at here is geometry reigns king. You want to be able to draw transformations. You want to be able to visualize it and see what you actually want to get to. So, the moral of the story here is that, let's be honest, drawing is the most underrated skill method students don't apply. Have a good one. I'll see you later.